Do you know something that's kind of cool? I have a little puzzler, and I want you to think about the answer. I have a spring attached to two equal masses. They're each 100 grams, which equates to 1 Newton of force, just about. And I'm going to put this on a spring and stretch it on two ends, like this. Then I'm going to take that same exact system, and I'm going to hang it vertically, like this, 1 Newton this way. So only one of the 100-gram masses. And the question I want you to ask is, when I'm hanging it with only one mass versus two masses, will that spring stretch more, less, or the same? Let's find out. So, to start, I'm going to hang both these equal masses. Now, they're 100 grams each, so you multiply by G, and that's about 1 Newton of force each. I'm going to take my handy-dandy measurement device, and we're going to see that we're getting from end to end just about 34 centimeters of stretch. Okay, now, here's the fun part, or the interesting part. I'm going to go ahead and take this off, and now I'm just going to hang it from one end, like this, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to measure again, and you can see I'm getting, oh, how about that? Interesting. 34 centimeters. So the stretch is the same in both cases. Now, why is that? Well, it turns out that when I'm hanging it with two masses like this, each end of this spring is getting pulled with 1 Newton. 1 Newton from this one, 1 Newton from that one. So each end gets 1 Newton. When I hang it this way, I have 1 Newton down, so there's my 1 Newton. But if there's no supporting force, it just falls. So in order for it to stay in the air, I need 1 Newton down, and I need 1 Newton up. Newton's third law. If this is pulling down 1 Newton, this needs to be pulling up 1 Newton. When I rotate it, whoop, 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 well, guess what? Same thing. 1 Newton right, 1 Newton left. So if you think about it, you can take a system like this, two pulling this way, 1 Newton, and you can just rotate and check it out. 1 Newton down, this metal pole provides 1 Newton up. It's the exact same identical scenario. Physics is pretty fun.